today we are going to an abandoned boat. Well, he is. I'm staying behind. Well, I'm going with you, but...
She doesn't want to get in trouble. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be going and exploring this big abandoned boat. So I'll see you guys when I get over there. So this boat was used for Netflix's Ozark show and Netflix's Tales of the Walking Dead. It's so beautiful inside here. This is James' sister, Cassie, aka my other sister. I have no clue what's in there. Oh, it's like a basement. I feel like we're in a Netflix horror show.
I know we're gonna. Is it safe?
Mm-hmm. I'll help you in. This is James's mom, aka mother mom.
Hi!
Let me check in what's in there. think everyone else is upstairs. They...
So cool though.
It is so beautiful in here.
They went up top. I'm scared that some of it's rotting. Cassie! So pretty.
Nobody judged my Gatorade.
Oh no! Slick Gatorade, yes. If only we had Gatorade pockets.
This is fucking beautiful.
It's getting hot. It was super humid in there.
Feels like we're looking for buried treasure.
It does.
I have to go in here. Just imagine steering it. Hello.
I have a music box app that motion detects. like you have to like really like. I don't know if it's. That's me touching it.
It's locked. I'm so happy we got to explore this. I've been wanting to do this for a minute.
I know.
Oh, I hope there's no ghosts in here.
I know. Oh, it's so cute.
It's just so beautiful in here.
It really is. Like, I just imagining it during its heyday, you know? Like, people having, like, fancy parties. Just wanting to, like, get out for a while.
I swear to God, all of us probably were on this boat when we were like little kids.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like, without a doubt. Well, at least I think it's a balloon. I didn't even notice these benches in here.
Oh, yeah.
That place down there might be flooded. Because it did look like
It looked flooded.
Yeah, it looked like it had a little bit of water in it. God, that's an amazing view. this be?
Looks like an old sound system or something.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful up here. Fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The way that the sun's picking through the woods right over there, when I looked, I swear to God, it looked like headlights were coming down here. I was like, oh fuck. I'm gonna go downstairs and take some more pictures.
Yeah, look at like the paint degrading. So creepy.
And all the mold.
All of like the wires and stuff.
It really kills me, like, just seeing how abandoned places like this actually get. Like, surprised nobody just like tries to fix it up.
I know, yeah. 'Cause I wonder why the boat was even abandoned in the first place. They like really let it go now.
This one's definitely on the bucket list to hit, and I'm glad that I got to. I swear, this summer is gonna be fucking fun and phenomenal.
It is. Like, we already have so much shit planned.
Facts.
I'm never gonna fucking sleep. I'm gonna be working 2 jobs, going to class, and hanging out with y'all all the time. I'm ready. I'm ready. So.
Fuck it. Mom, Liv, we love y'all. Where the hell do they go? All right, we're gonna get off the boat and go find our mom and Liv.
They left us.
We'll check in with you guys when we find them. Okay, so a car just pulled up. So if anything, me and Cassie are just gonna run. Just follow me. Oh, thank God. They're not cops. How y'all doing? God damn, you give us a heart attack, why don't you? Fuck. God, just look how beautiful and majestic this place is. I've definitely seen like photos of this place on the internet from like back in the day.
Has it got even more downhill since then?
So much more downhill.
So sad.
Huh.
They definitely left us.
Oh yeah, mom and Liv definitely left us. We're gonna get back to the car. Oh, we were just waiting on y'all. When did y'all leave?
Didn't even say nothing.
That's where y'all been hiding the whole time?
We saw the dog from up there. We did not see y'all.
We got so scared because we heard the car.
Yeah.
And we were like, oh my god.
Cassie, run. Like, if
y'all
it's
run?
cops, run. Follow me. She was like, where? I was like, follow me, just run.
Dude got out. They were like, oh yeah. As soon as we got out, we saw them. Also, I got my butt really wet. Like, look at this.
Ooh.
Thank goodness.
We finally caught back up with them.
I know. Did y'all hear your mom yell?
I was saying,
No.
help, Cassie, help. No, did you hear Alex literally scream from the top of his
Yeah, we
lungs,
did.
I love y'all.
Yeah, we heard that. We heard that a little bit. We thought we said, where are y'all?
The fact they didn't say they loved us back.
Literally, I was so
We didn't know. We thought we were like,
God, this place is so freaking beautiful.
y'all were like up in the little middle section. Did y'all see us? Yeah, we saw you. Oh my god. I also only heard about how we saw a goose and we named him Gerald. Me and Alex.
This must have been stuff that was left from the remainder of the boat. Cutie. Such a beautiful piece of art. The one time that we're doing something like this and the cops actually don't show up.
Literally.
Thank God.
There's more people here.
Yeah, God forbid we do this in the middle of the day. Oh, all hell breaks loose. You get arrested.
Well, because there's other like canoers. That dock right there. So like low key.
Gerald!
He's
I love and miss you!
Oh, there's another one right over there. Oh, he said I love you too.
Daddy loves you too, buddy!
Jamesy, is that you?
No. Oh.
James with no
Gerald is stunting. I love you, buddy!
He really looks like an old man.
I'm just gonna start adopting geeses. So this is the dinosaur that James got the day we went to the school bus graveyard. And right here is a photo of James and my girlfriend Liv the day that we went to the school bus graveyard. I love and miss my brother so much. I just wanted to share that with everyone. So we just made it back home. What'd you think about today?
It was really fun.
It was really fun getting to explore that beautiful abandoned boat. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. And as always, I will see you guys in my next adventure. Peace. Fearless.